What we got here today is two of my ceiling fans, which I'm currently putting them together and testing them. Got the Hampton Bay linitin, if you remember I made a video of that, of it being on the bed. I got it set up on the floor. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. How to do something real fast here. There's a Hampton Bay linitin. I got the light bulb on it and everything. Got some power cables from some other stuff I've torn apart from my junk closet, which is currently a disaster. See, that power cable came from a VCR. And that one came from a boombox, and this one came from a VCR. Right? See, I really don't know what brand this thing is. This thing uses the same wiring code as SMC, so it's SMC made, but not exactly sure. Hampton Bay, Huntington. I can go ahead and start them up on low. I already have them set for low. Ugh. There's fan number one. And here's fan number two. That seems like it is currently in the garage somewhere. Not exactly sure where I placed it. Oh, I got to show you how the light kit on this thing does work. I'll show you later. I don't feel like playing Dicky with it while it's running. Of course, the hum is coming from the Hampton Bay Chapman, which of course just like it. Does work. It's just missing a fan chain. You know, that's just nothing. You can see awfully large light bulb. That's kind of out of place. I'll admit that. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can actually hear it. I guess I have to be quiet. It's a very, very slight scratching noise from the bearing. Not have any kind of lubrication though, so I'll just have to wait. Wait, give me a second. I need to refocus the camera. Annoying. Whatever. I'll fight for it later. There you are. Now it's focused. I have a very slight. Well, what is it? This does not like to focus on moving things. There's the fan again. There's a light kit on it at the moment. It's just a bunch of exposed wires. I don't have any blanks to put on it either, so I have the brown side facing. I'm not exactly sure what you'd call it. This thing has a fairly chunky motor, or a really heavy motor for its size. It really is. I wonder, can you hear the wind? I don't think you'd be able to. The little clicking is just the tag whacking one of the wires very slightly. Okay, I think we've did just enough for flow. I'll be back. Just like it does work. We got this 60-watt light and a 30-watt light socket. Check it out. Darn, I guess it doesn't work. Oh well, must we wired it up wrong, but that's okay. Put it on medium. That should be set for medium. Let's find out. Yeah, she's on medium. Alright, move out of the way. feet off. I should have this thing set for medium too. I don't think this thing has torque too, but I could be wrong. I don't want to. There we are. See, this thing went up right at the speed. It is wobbly. I can hear him. I don't know if you hear wind noise or not. See, it's only in the forward direction, but actually you can definitely hear it. It is running a medium. The other side of these blades is just plain white. I'm kind of bored of plain white, speaking that 90% of all the other fans have plain white in this house. The King bedroom has plain white. One of my brother's bedroom has plain white. I have to fix that white issue here in a second. Let's let it spin down. Well, we focus on this fan. This thing I have running in reverse. Not sure if we can hear the wind noise or not. Maybe, maybe not. Don't know. See, I got 6 minutes already. Only on medium. See, it is running on medium. These things have a bit of a wobble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give it about possibly 110 RPM for medium. Go ahead and fix this thing's conniption fit with its wire. Be back. Not trying to eat your own wire. That's just a bad thing to do. Right. Move. Oops. This little green earth cable. 2 more. Back. Get up down there. Stuffing some wires and some holes so they don't interfere with anything. Noted, if there are any new people who are new to electronics, specifically new to installing fans, never, ever, ever connect the green wire to the white or black wire. That's just asking to electrocute yourself. Well, anyway, it's time to put it on high. Not sure how it's going to behave. I'm going to put it on high because it's just going to try to fight with me. I need to find a weight of some sort to keep it from trying to turn and move around. But something like a lead acid battery would work, but unfortunately, I have these on me at the moment. They're all in the garage somewhere. I have all of them stashed away in some magical box. So I'll never see the light again. Actually, I wonder. Let me try something. Okay, so I got it on the ground where so many of the various things. As you can now blatantly hear, it is running on high. Which, mind you, I had on that thing so you could feel the air, which you can't hear it, but oh well. So you might be able to hear the air. And it is running on high. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have about 125 RPMs roughly. No, I'm not very good at counting RPMs just by sight. I have to actually use an RPM calculator, which I don't currently own, so I have to rely on my rough estimate. Oh, and my lack of common sense, since I'm just doing this on the floor. Anything can go terribly wrong, but don't worry about me. I'm a professional! Totally. Go ahead and stop the blade. Turn you on high. Make sure this stupid chain. Be back. Okay, I'm back. I got this thing set up to for high now. Go ahead and hold it so I can't go wobbling everywhere. That's it on high. No, this fan has to be in our front room. This is the replacement fan for the builder fan in our front room that melted down. That I think the capacitor just literally exploded. It's arcing, so it got replaced. I wish I could have kept it, but they replaced it when I was at school, so I can't do anything about that. Anyway, sitting at 11 minutes already. Darn, it's gonna be one of those long videos, guys. I think I have like a 19-minute limit. Hey, that rhymed. 19-minute limit. It is working. I'll go ahead and just unplug it now. And go over to the other fan that's over here. I'm sure you can definitely hear it. This was a fan that used to be in the kitchen. Not this Harper Springfield replaced. We replaced it because this fan wasn't running at all. It didn't turn on lights, nothing. But I think that's just a fault with the wiring. One of the wiring actually probably has failed. The fan in the kitchen works now. And the thing apparently worked all the time. It's just no power, so no action. It's a fairly big fan. I think it's like a 42. That's about probably 36 and a 42. Nah, a little bigger. I think it's like a 40 inch, and this is like a 44 or 45 inch. One of the. Something like along the lines. I know this thing's much bigger than that thing. Quite considerably. I think the Hampton Bay Chapman actually here is like a 42. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and more fans and other fun stuff to come.